Hey guys, in this video I will show you the default layout for the home screen and app screen after you have set up the device on the Samsung Galaxy S26 or the S26 Ultra. Now this is the default wallpaper for the home screen. So if I touch and hold and tap on wallpaper install, and if I choose change wallpapers, you can see this is the default home screen wallpaper right here. So that is the home screen wallpaper that you want to select if you want to go back to the default. Okay, another one is the app screen. This is what it looks like in the app screen. Very minimal apps. There are not many, so only 2 screen pages that has the apps installed. Okay, on the lock screen, if I go to my lock screen, this is the default lock screen layout. And that's it. So if you ever need to go back to the default layout, you can follow this layout on the screen showing here and the apps right here. And that's it. Now if you somehow want to perform a reset of your home screen, what you can do is go into settings, and then we go and tap on apps. Now we want to find the One UI app. So One UI home, and then you go down and tap on tap on storage. So it should be in storage instead. So you go into storage and then tap on clear data and clear cache. So clear data and delete. And so here all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. Now what this does is that it will remove widgets, removes folder layouts on the home screen, reset home screen settings, returns most layout elements to default. It also removes your app layout and folders as well. And if you wanted to, you can tap on the delete button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.